Happy birthday, Jenson! Let's go! Happy birthday sa'yo, Jenson! Gusto ko lang sabihin na maraming thank you dahil naging kaibigan ka namin. And I know grade 10 na tayo and matagal na rin pinagsamahan natin and I'm very grateful for that. Pero sana, after ng graduation, close pa rin tayo lahat. 16 ka na, ibig sabihin isa ka ng out. Sana mabuhay ka forever.
Happy 16th birthday, Jam. Thank you sa friendship na nag-build natin and sana alam mo na we're so proud of you and kahit graduate man tayo, I hope you know na andito pa rin kami sa tabi mo to cheer for you and sana lumaki kang mabait.
Happy birthday, Jamson! You're finally 16. And sana after yung graduation is same pa rin yung process, walang magbago, and ayun. Thank you for being kind and being patient sa amin kahit maarte namin. Yan. Thank you. Yes.
Pero cute. Bye-bye! Huwag kang magsawa sa amin, bye!
Happy birthday, Jemson. Have a blast.
At binabati ko si Jemson ng isang maligayang happy birthday. I love you, Jemson!
Happy birthday, baby. Gusto ko lang malaman mo na mahal kita. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Jenson!
Jemson.
Happy birthday, Jenson!
Lalaro ng Dandy's World.
Happy birthday, Jemson! Happy birthday to you. Wish you good health, good wealth, and yun. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Jemson! 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 Happy birthday, Jemson!
Ako si John Polar
Birthday, Jemson!
At sana marami ka pang blessings na mapuntahan.
Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Jemson!
Happy birthday, Jemson Arbalotulan. At sana ito ay magkaroon ng maligayang na kaarawan.
Happy birthday,
Maging masaya ka lalo.
Jemson! Happy birthday, Jemson! Happy birthday, Jemson!
Salamat sa isa pang taon, Jemson Balagulan. At salamat sa isa pang taon na pagkakasama at pagkakaroon ng kaibigan na tulad ikaw.
Happy birthday, Jemson! Happy birthday, Jemson!
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, sa aking minamahal na kaibigan. I love you. Happy New Year and happy birthday.
Ako nga pala
Si Jeremiah Quincy Corpus. Dito natakot ako kasi may isang malaking insekto. Pero Jemson, sabihin ko, napakasaya mong kaibigan na makasama. Sana more birthdays to come. I wish you the well. I hope you the best. I love you the best. I wish you well. But sana,
Happy birthday, Jemson! Happy birthday, Jemson! Happy birthday! Napaka-pogi mo kasama. Napakagaling mo. Happy birthday talaga po. Happy birthday! Galing ganda. Ito na. Cut na yan.
Over sa vlog. Happy birthday, Jenson! Happy birthday! Woo! 16
Sana
ka na!
nagustuhan mo gift ko.
Yan si Cassidy. Good morning sa buong Pilipinas.
Hi Prabhu, happy birthday. Punta ka dito sa Rockwell. We'll celebrate your birthday here. Okay? Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Kuya Prabhu! Sabi mo na.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Prabhu.
Yay!
Happy birthday, Boo.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya. We love you.